When you are choosing your rhinestone colors and sizes, you want to choose a variety of colors and a variety of sizes. Now, if you're a beginner, maybe that's 1 to 2 different colors and sizes. And if you're more advanced, you can add on top of it. So if you look at the costume here, I've got sizes ranging from SS12 to SS20, and I'd say those are probably the most common sizes when you're looking at a dance costume. So going smaller than SS12, you can lose the rhinestone in the costume design, and especially when you're far away on stage. You can see I've got a variety of colors. I have stuck with the colors that are in the costume fabric. So you can see here we have some silk, some Colorado topaz, crystal AB, and crystal, which are the more neutral tones, but they add some depth. Now when it comes to sizing, you want to keep the larger stones, say like an SS30 or SS34, to a minimum. So here in the appliques, they've been put in the middle, and that's about the only place that I've put those larger stones. So if you want to get a little bit crazier with your patterns in the denser areas, that's a really good time to mix in those smaller stones like the SS12s.